Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we review the latest tech in clear and simple words so you know exactly what's worth your time. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful multisport smartwatches Garmin has ever made. This is the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, a watch that combines rugged durability, advanced training tools, health tracking, and smart features into one premium package. The Fenix line has always been popular among athletes, adventurers, and outdoor explorers. The Fenix 8 Pro takes everything that worked before and improves it with sharper performance, longer battery life, and even smarter health insights. If you've been waiting for a watch that can do it all, this one is hard to ignore. Let's start with the design. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro has a strong, rugged body that's built to last. It comes in stainless steel, titanium, or sapphire editions depending on your budget. The case sizes range from 42mm to 51mm, so there's an option for different wrist sizes. Despite being tough, the watch still looks premium. The bezels are slimmer, the buttons are more refined, and it feels lighter than you'd expect for something this durable. The display is a major highlight. Garmin has upgraded the Fenix 8 Pro with an AMOLED screen on select models, while still offering the classic transflective display for those who prefer maximum battery life. The AMOLED models look stunning, with vibrant colors and crisp details that make maps, widgets, and metrics easier to read. The screen is protected by sapphire glass on higher editions, so scratches are not a concern. Performance is stronger than ever. The Fenix 8 Pro is powered by Garmin's latest processor, making the interface faster and smoother. Switching between widgets, opening maps, or starting activities feels instant. GPS performance is also excellent with multi-band GNSS support, which means you get ultra-accurate tracking whether you're running in the city or climbing remote mountains. Battery life has been extended too. On AMOLED models, you can still get up to 16 days in smartwatch mode and around 70 hours in GPS mode. On the transflective models with solar charging, it stretches even further, up to 24 days in smartwatch mode and more than 100 hours in GPS. For endurance athletes and outdoor adventurers, this is a big deal. Now let's talk about training and health features. The Fenix 8 Pro has everything from basic step counting to advanced metrics like VO2 max, training readiness, and recovery insights. Garmin has introduced new features such as endurance score and hill score, which give athletes a better view of their stamina and climbing ability. These features help you train smarter and avoid overdoing it. For health, the Fenix 8 Pro tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and body battery. It also adds improved sleep coaching with nap detection, so you get more accurate rest analysis. HRV status gives you deeper insight into recovery and long-term stress balance. Together, these metrics make it easier to manage both training and everyday wellness. Navigation is another strong point. The watch comes with full-color topo maps preloaded, turn-by-turn navigation, and next fork guidance that shows you exactly where trails split. It also includes ski maps, golf maps, and the ability to create or import routes through Garmin Connect or third-party apps. With multi-band GPS and smart route recalculations, you can trust the Fenix 8 Pro even in the toughest terrain. The software experience is polished. The new Garmin Connect app integrates smoothly with the watch, giving you detailed reports, training plans, and recovery recommendations. The watch itself has an improved interface with customizable widgets and quick settings that make it easier to control without digging into menus. When it comes to smart features, the Fenix 8 Pro includes everything you'd expect at this level. You get notifications, Garmin Pay, offline music storage with Spotify or other services, and Bluetooth headphone support. While it doesn't have the app ecosystem of an Apple Watch, it does cover the essentials and focuses on features that athletes and adventurers actually use. Durability is unmatched. The Fenix 8 Pro is water-rated up to 100 meters, resistant to extreme temperatures, and built to military-grade toughness standards. Whether you're running in the rain, swimming, or hiking in the desert, this watch is built to take it all. Let's move to price and value. Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a premium watch, and it comes at a premium price. But when you look at the design, durability, AMOLED screen option, extended battery life, and advanced metrics, it justifies the cost for serious users. Casual smartwatch buyers might find it expensive, but for endurance athletes, outdoor explorers, or fitness enthusiasts who want everything in one device, it delivers huge value. The pros are easy to list: rugged and premium design, AMOLED display option, extended battery life, accurate GPS, advanced training metrics, strong health tracking, and unmatched durability. The cons include the high price, the large size that may feel bulky for some wrists, and a learning curve with Garmin's detailed features. In real use, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro feels like more than just a smartwatch. It's a tool that pushes you forward, keeps you safe, and helps you understand your body better. It's for people who live active lives, explore outdoors, or compete in endurance sports. If you only want basic smartwatch features, this watch is probably overkill. But if you want one device that can handle almost anything, the Fenix 8 Pro is one of the best watches you can buy. To wrap it up, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a powerhouse built for athletes and adventurers. It blends durability, smart features, advanced training tools, and health tracking into a premium package that few competitors can match. It's expensive, but it delivers value to those who need it most. That's it for our review of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more authentic reviews explained in simple words, make sure you subscribe to Tap Tech. We'll keep bringing you the latest tech reviews that actually matter. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where tech meets simplicity. Until next time, keep pushing limits and keep moving forward.